Okay, I couldn't get the first startup of it because my grandpa turned it on, but the first run of the 2006 Amana 6000 BTU window air conditioner here in the back bedroom with the Encon. Let's see if she's blowing cold. Roll the sleeve. Oh yeah. She's blowing nice and cold. Still working. Alrighty, so use another symbol with this. Well, actually, I have another video coming in the next week. It's going to be a different unit in the other bedroom. So the room with the computer. It's at 70. I have not videoed this thing in a while. This is the air conditioner that actually started my whole YouTube channel. Well, this air conditioner made me start my YouTube channel because I've always wanted to film window air conditioners, and well, there's this one. So, and the actual manufacture date for this unit is 2005. I just call it the 06. I just call it an 06 because that's where I thought it was. That's when I thought it was manufactured. But it was actually manufactured in 05. And I was talking to my friend about it last summer. Or, yeah, last year. Or, I don't know what it was. But it was last year, sometime last year. And he's like, just call it the 06. And I'm like, I bet. I'm like, I bet. So, she's still the 06. So the outside of it. Show you the other side of it at a later date. If you want to see the other side of it, scroll down on my YouTube page and you'll see it. Now, let's go ahead and move that. Move this out of the way. Oops. Show you the data plate. Now, sorry for the wind noise if there is any. There's the data plate. It's model... Can't really show you. I have to turn the phone like this. So if you want to read the data plate, there you go. But I'm just going to read it to you. So, put the phone over there so there's no wind noise in the camera. Model number is ACB065R. Cooling capacity 6,000 BTUs. Serial number I don't know what the serial number is on this unit, if it's the bottom one or the letters next to the number abbreviation there. And it's R22, by the way. Yep, 12.7 pounds of R22. It is got a ER or SEER of 9.7. It's about 5 point something amps, 115 volts, 60 hertz, and it's 620 watts. And it is also made in the China. Made in the China. Oh shit. Yeah. There we go. But this is definitely one of my favorite units from the China, because this thing's from 2005 and it's still working good with its original components. Yep. Original evaporator, original condenser, original fan motor, and original compressor. This unit has a Tecumseh rotary compressor, by the way, which is a damn good compressor. So no wonder why it still works. Yeah, so this unit was originally in the basement, but then we put it in here. So yeah, it went down to 69. As you can see. But I'm going to be getting another unit for the other bedroom because I'm going to be living here. This is my grandparents' house. I'm going to be living here because stuff, personal reasons that I'm not sharing. But when it's time to go pick up the other unit, I will do a first startup of it. And possibly an installation, but I don't know for sure. Since it's going to be staying in the window all year, then when I move out, I'll probably take it with me. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. So just stay tuned in the upcoming week. And if sorry, I heard this whole thing. Sorry, I heard something. If there is a video that I upload tonight, which I'll probably upload it after this video, but that's gonna be what was supposed to be yesterday's video, but I uploaded it today. So yeah, I filmed the counter mall yesterday, so expect to see that after this video, or when it posts. So I'll show you the outside one more time, or the top of the unit one more time. It's the top of the unit. There's the neighbor's Kenmore, by the way. I thought I had my flash on, but I didn't. I don't, so that's gonna wrap this up. Thanks for watching.